Firstly, find the price and code underneath the item you wish to buy. Secondly, insert the exact amount of money for the item and find the correct way to fit the bill in. If you are using coin, put them in the coin slot. Do not use any bill with tear and ring. Thirdly, type in the code or button for your item. Do double check before you press OK. Subsequently, after you press OK for your item, the machine will display your item, and so you can take it out. And plus, don't forget to check the coin check. In addition, if your item is stuck, open and close the door and do it gently. Next, if this still doesn't work, don't rock the machine and try to knock This will damage the machine. At the end, call this number list on the machine to get a refund. That's it. 7 steps how to use the vending machine. Thank you.